Hi, this is Tanner.
Hi, this is Lily. The entrepreneurship class is going to run the school store for the MapStars project this year. Here's what you need to know.
The purpose of the store is to resell items to students.
Students must show academic achievement and good behaviors that are above and beyond what is expected.
We will start out selling just chips and pop, but hope to get donations from local businesses in the future.
We have two options on how students can get their school store dollars. You may either hand out cash or email us with the electronic funds and transfer amount.
Students may earn school store dollars by going above and beyond in your classrooms, or lose school store dollars by doing less than expected. How you award or take away money is completely up to you. Students can only earn or lose a maximum of $8 each day.
Students may earn up to 8 school store dollars by obtaining 3s in unit letters or can lose up to 8 school store dollars for any 1s or 0s. We will account for these units on Thursdays of each week.
Students may earn $3 for completing the character dare at least 3 times in 1 week. From Tuesday through Monday, the character dare must be observed by a teacher.
Students with IEPs may earn up to 2 school store dollars each day for meeting 2 of the goals in their IEPs. The goals must be observed at least 3 times each by their case manager.
Each time the goal has been met, the case manager should tell the students that they have met their goal. Cash should be handed to the students immediately following third observation.
The school store will be opened on Fridays during breakfast.
We will use Monday through Wednesday to work on our project for the MapStars State Conference and Thursdays and counting to